Hey class, this is Instructor Fran, and I just wanted to show you how a lot of academic articles have the reference citation pre-made for you. You just need to know where to look, and you need to make sure that for this class you're selecting APA format. So let's take a look at one of the articles that you could have chosen during week one. So we'll go to Humanities and Sciences. I'll go to Climate Change. Okay, so clear thinking needed climate change. If I wanted to go the easy route, I can go, if you look over here, ProQuest articles have this cite option to the right. I'm going to click on that. Okay, I have to make sure if it's selected something else, I need to get 6th edition of APA, which this one defaulted to. Okay, and then I can just copy. If you're not sure how to do that, you can highlight it, and I can do Control C, and then go to a document and do Control P for paste. But that's there for you already, so you don't have to worry about a generator or trying to figure out how to do it on your own. Okay, let me show you another one. Okay, let's take, for example, you had other articles that you could choose from for part D of week one's assignment. Okay, so I'm going to go to criminal justice community policing. Okay, I'm going to go to the actual article. And you can see again on the scale opposing viewpoints and contexts, there's a citation tool. Click on that. Now, you're going to notice it defaults on Gale. I've seen it default to MLA. That's not what we want for this class. We want APA. So we have to change it. Okay, and then we can just copy and paste, okay, and take that with us. So hopefully that helps. I don't necessarily know if it's on all academic articles, but a lot of them have the APA format there for the reference citation, which is the harder one. The in-text citation, which just has the author's last name, year of publication, page or paragraph number, that one you're going to have to do on your own. I hope that's helpful.